trigger digger skibbity nigger.
Just, what the fuck?
I'm trying to fuck her.
Little cutie. Don't run off now. I love you, pumpkin. So much. Baby.
Why, bro?
My brother keeps spamming 6'7", so I turned him into a femboy and made him smash.
By 67 men.
All right, mate, let me tell you this wild story about my brother. He was always spamming 6'7".
No comment. Just know.
Who's my good little kitten?
I am. Uh-oh.
Kitten, did you just make a poopy whoopie in your pee?
What the fuck?